The LG LDPH7972 dishwasher uses steam to clean baked-on dishes as well as a new dynamic drying system. But does this dishwasher actually wash and dry your dishes well? We put this LG dishwasher to the test along with 4 other popular dishwashers by loading them with baked-on pots and pans, fine china, caked-on sports bottles, glasses with chocolate syrup, and Tupperware stained with red sauce. We compared this dishwasher against its toughest competition, the new Bosch 800 series with Power Control and CrystalDry, the Miele G7000 series with the world's only 20-load automatic dispenser, the AutoDos, GE Profile's new dishwasher with dedicated bottle washes and silverware sprays, and Beko's dishwasher with their ion generator and new cornerintense wash system. Before you see the results of our tests, let's take 2 minutes to break down these features. For washing, LG is the only dishwasher using steam to clean baked-on food off of dishes. Their quad wash uses oblong-shaped arms to wash more places in your dishwasher than the conventional round bottom spray arms. You'll see if this actually makes a difference later in the video. LG circulates hot air and steam for a faster, more complete drying than normal condensation dry of most dishwashers in this price range. The racking is decent, with a 3rd rack for the silverware and an adjustable middle rack, like most other dishwashers in this price range. This LG dishwasher meets the quietness standard for 44 decibels, so you won't hear it in the next room, even in an open kitchen design. Their best feature is definitely their reliability. While you think Bosch and Miele are the most reliable, LG is actually the best, needing service only 3.5% of the time in the first year versus 5.1 for Bosch and 6.7 for Miele, based on over 34,000 service calls logged by our service team just last year. LG has good features. However, it doesn't have dedicated bottle washes like Beko and GE Profile. It doesn't have Bosch's ability to control the intensity of the spray arm on the bottom with their Power Control, or the auto dispensing of the Miele G7000 series. Then again, it's $350 less than the Bosch and almost $1,200 less than the Miele. Also, using already steamy heat to dry doesn't seem as effective compared to other drying methods, like introducing air into the dishwasher or popping open the dishwasher automatically at the end like Miele or Beko. So, let's see if any of these features actually make a difference. Just like the others, there was still some egg left on the pan, a bit more than the Miele and Bosch. The steam did help, especially with the lasagna dish, which did have some residue left on it, but it was washed away easily by hand afterward. Other than that, all of the other dishes were clean, including the sports bottles, even without the specific bottle sprays. Bosch's CrystalDry with the volcanic elements was the best for drying, and then Miele, and then LG, which dried thoroughly except for plastics, which were still quite wet, which is consistent with this type of drying system. So, should you buy the LG? At $999, the LG is a good all-around dishwasher with excellent flexibility. The steam even performed well on our sports bottle tests. It was not as good as Bosch or Miele, but it also costs much less. So, if you're looking for a decent dishwasher under $1,000, then the LG should definitely be a consideration. One last thing, LG doesn't have their own service department, so you may want to check who will service this machine in your area before you buy. If you want to see the results of the Bosch dishwasher we tested or the Miele dishwasher we tested, click one of these videos, and we'll see you later. Thanks for watching.